In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your task manager either stops working or stops opening inside of your Windows computer. So the very first thing we need to do that often fixes this problem is just head over to the Start menu and search for PowerShell, and then right-click on Windows PowerShell here and run this as administrator. Now, there's a command that we need to paste inside of here that's going to re-register some of our Windows components. Now, I've already got this saved in a notepad over here, so I'll leave this in the video description for you guys, and you'll need to come in and copy this, and then just paste this into the terminal and hit enter. You should then see something like this on the screen. So once you run that command, we can then close out of this window. And the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and then come over to the Registry Editor tab. Inside of the Registry Editor, we need to come inside of HKey Local Machine, inside of Software. Come all the way down till you find the Microsoft folder, and open up this Microsoft folder here. Come all the way down till you find Windows NT, and expand this folder too. Inside of the current version folder, come down and you should see a folder called Image File Execution Options, and we need to expand this. And inside of here, we're looking for a folder called taskmgr.exe. Now, if you have this folder inside of here, then what you need to do is just right-click on this taskmanager.exe folder, and we're going to right-click and select Delete, and then just press Yes to confirm. Now, if you don't have this folder inside of here, then obviously you don't need to do this step. So we can close out of this window, and we can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, you'll need to move on to the next step. So if that's still not working, the next step is you'll need to come over to your Start menu and search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. So we're just going to go ahead and check all of our system files, just to ensure that everything's in order and nothing's damaged or missing. So inside of here, you need to type in sfc/scan now and then hit enter. And this can take a few minutes to complete, so just make sure to wait for this to get to 100% before you close out of this window. And once this gets to 100%, then we can head out of here. And the last thing we're going to do is come over to our File Explorer, come over to your computer from the left-hand side, and you need to locate your C drive. And then we're going to right-click on our drive, come into Properties, and then come inside of the Tools section. Inside of here, you'll have an option for error checking, so we're just going to press this check button here, and you can go ahead and select Scan Drive. Now, once again, that can take a few minutes to complete, so just wait for this scan to finish, and once that's complete, that should have fixed any issues you were having with the Task Manager. Now, if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing below, and I'll see you in the next one.